To change the state of an alarm zone using a device or an external source such as an I/O module, you'll need to create some new scenarios and events in the admin section of the Morphium platform. For this example, we'll be using an I/O module to change the state in our office from armed to disarmed. First thing you'll need to do is you'll need to create a new scenario to arm the alarm zone. Select Change Alarm Zone State in the drop-down and select the location and the zone that you want to change the state for, in this case, armed. Once you've created the armed scenario, you'll then need to create the disarmed scenario. Create a new scenario, select Change Alarm Zone State in the drop-down and select Disarm State. After you've set up your scenarios, you'll then need to configure two new events. Again, one to arm and one to disarm. Create a new event and select on the device that you want to change the state with. Select the trigger type, and in this case, select the input port. If you want to disarm a zone, select inactivation. If you want to arm a zone, select activation. Select on the scenarios that you wish to activate. In this case, we've created a scenario to disarm our office, select disarm, and to arm, select the arm scenario. Once you've done this, you'll be able to use an I/O module or a device to change the state of your alarm zones.